Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday! I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and you know on Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through these cabinets and his refrigerator and create a delicious meal for you. So stay tuned. Guys, let's take a look at our cabinets, see what we got for this week, Budget Wednesday. Woo! Let's see. Let me see. Let's take out this bad boy, see what we got up here. See anything of useful values I want to use this week. Not really. I don't know why I keep on opening this cabinet. This cabinet is very disappointing. Nothing that I see off the rip right here. Let's go to our refrigerator, see what we got up in that bad boy. Woo! Someone went shopping! Ish. Ooh, off the rip, I see some asparagus. Asparagus, that's good for you. That's good for your body right there. Alright, let's see what we can do with that. You know, I had this mushroom, the Portobello mushroom. I'm gonna see what I can do with that bad boy. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, we got some carrots. We got some carrots. We got some carrots. Alright. What we got? Oh, we got our peppers. Oh, hold on, we got some onions. We got some peppers. Okay, we can see what we can do with these bad boys. Put them together with something. I got tomatoes. So, throw that in there. We throw that in there somewhere. What else we got? What is this? Oh man, I'm not gonna use this one. What else we got? Oh, this we got up in the bad boy. Got pineapple jerk sauce. Hey, never know, might come in handy. All right, that's for the refrigerator. Hang on there. Frozen food. All right, let's take a look over here and see what we got. Okay, what we got? We got some grains. We got couscous. We got some brown rice. I think I'm gonna give you some brown rice on this one. All right, we already got our onions. All right, well, as you can see, this is what we're working with this week on Budget Wednesday. We're on a budget. All right, so stay tuned and see what we put together with this meal. All right. All right, guys, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients and add a few extras, I decided to go with a pineapple jerk, portobello mushroom, Cajun stir fry. Let's go. everybody. So our finished meal is upon us. As you can see, this boy take really quick to make. I'm tongue-tied because I'm hungry. This food is smelling massive good. You know what we need? We need our pineapple jerk sauce to top that bad boy. Now, if you're a person that like a lot of spice, you can put a lot, but you can put like a little bit. You put it all over, and then that's it. All right, here we go. So now the moment of truth is upon us. Let's try this bad boy, see how it is, see how it tastes. Oh, I'm just gonna go right in the middle. Hold on. Between the spice and the food is so damn good. So damn good. Hold on, let me try one more piece. One more piece. Ooh, let me try the mushroom. Let me try the mushroom. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoy watching this episode as I enjoy making this meal. Listen, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe again, share, and tell a friend, okay? And pick up a bottle of your boy's sauce. Don't forget to pick up a bottle. This is so good. All right, I'm about to tear this bad boy up. Peace!